again. I apologise about my voice. Had all my teeth ripped out, so we'll do the best we can. So we'll start with the bathroom. I haven't looked at this yet, really much at all. So we've got the room, the fridge, coffee, some goodies, we have storage, lots of storage. That'll be good for the bags. I would say that's a hairdryer. So, bathroom, it'll do. And the throne. Okay, so an extra mirror up here, makeup mirror. Alright, let's go out here. Our stuff has just been moved, so if you've watched the beach coma video, we've literally crossed the road. So we've got more storage in here. Oh, it's big. You've got your safe, torch, ironing board. You've got your bedsides. All that. Huge bed, king bed. You got your TV, more storage. They gave us bags, tote bags, which is pretty cool. Personalised letter and some premium shortbread. We've got couch, bedside, desk, which I'll be using probably this time. We've got a whole wall mirror over there. We've got drink bottles. So it is a very big room. Trying to talk. And then we got this. So we've got a decent balcony and the view. It really doesn't get better. Diamond Head, Waikiki Beach. Okay, so that's about it. There's not much else I can show. Like I said, it's a big room, huge room. We got this through Luxury Escapes. I think it was about $4,500 for 6 nights on special. I think it's normally about double or triple. But yeah, location is insane. You've got Jukes downstairs, you've got Hula Grill, Blue Note. You've got a lot of things going on here. So yeah, any questions, definitely feel free. It's yeah, killer room. Can't complain at all about this.
Okay, so this was a little bit like Where's Wally. There was about 4 or 5 turtles swimming around, but every time I pulled my phone out, they'd go under. You see them pop up here and there, but we kept missing them. Plus the water gets that real, as you can see, like a white, foggy look from all the sunscreen. Because you notice where the people aren't, where it's further away, the water's normal, but around them. But yeah, we caught a couple, as you can see, but that was about it. So once again, thank you to everyone for watching, and once again I apologise. We'd been overseas, had all teeth pulled out and had implants put in. Gonna do a full video on that to explain it to everyone, but thank you to everyone for understanding. My voice is a bit out at the moment, so within a couple of months all will be back to normal, and we'll do a video on the dental surgery we had, cost, everything like that, on all on fours, and also on Ali's dental and other surgeries as well. But thank you to everyone that has subscribed, liked, all the above. Cannot thank you enough.